Hey guys, so our breaking news, we now have the live hands-on video of the Moto G6 Play, and yeah, it is uploaded by YouTuber Manosconito. I will leave his video link in the description box, and he says that this is the Moto G6 Plus, but I'm pretty sure that it is the Play variant only cause you can see it only features a single rear camera and there's a rear facing fingerprint sensor also. And with the G6 Plus you will get dual rear cameras, so definitely it is the G6 Play only. Alright, so first off we have the beautiful Motorola boot animation. By the way, in case you don't know, the G6 Play would feature a 5.7 inches of max vision display. Yeah, Motorola is calling the 18:9 as max vision, so Samsung has their infinity display thing and LG has their max view display, and Motorola is calling it as max vision display, which sound interesting. So next we have the home screen, and it is having the Pixel launcher, not the Pixel 2 launcher, but we have the normal 2016 Pixel launcher. Taking a look at the app drawer, we have a few system applications, device help, application box, calculator, and a brand new camera application. I think at this point you might have already seen the brand new camera application. It is available on the Play Store. And as you can see, there are no bloatwares, no Microsoft application, but we do have the Dolby Audio, which is something really impressive, so brace yourself for an amazing audio experience. Taking a look at the rear, we have single 13 megapixel camera and the LED flash. At first look you may think that this is the dual camera setup, but actually it is not, even I was tricked. Next we have the Motorola Batwing logo with embedded fingerprint sensor, and this is what I really wanted, and I really love that placement guys, easy to use. And yeah, it's fine if you like the front facing fingerprint sensor because you are going to get the same on the G6 and the G6 Plus, so definitely you have few options there. If you want a rear sensor, go with the G6 Play, and if you want a front sensor, go with the G6 or G6 Plus. Other features include a giant 4000 mAh of battery with fast charging support, a Snapdragon 430 processor clocked at 1.4 GHz, and most likely I think there are going to be two options, a 2GB RAM variant and a 3GB RAM variant. So that was a small video, but he really gave us a glimpse of the Moto G6 Play. And according to the latest retail listing of the G6 Play, it will be priced at $199 for the United States, and I think India will get it around 9 to 10,000 rupees. And regarding the launch date, Motorola will be announcing it at 19th of April, at least in Brazil, and I think India will get it around the same time. I will get the invites, so I will definitely let you know on my Twitter page. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.